Hello and welcome back to Isles of Scilly. It's the next morning, still this briar, and got some weight coming. You get a lot of the ferries whiz past, so it's like a jet boat kind of thing, big diesel. Well, this would be horrendous on the last boat. It's not rocking too much. They're quite big actually. We're getting going now. Still not that bad. Bit quick transition in motion. Daniel's locking up the hatch because we're about to leave the boat. We're going to whack on the petrol outboard. See how that handles two people buzzing about this bay a bit. But I think first we're going to pop over to this beach, go for a little quick walk on this island, and then we'll pop over there, go down to the botanical garden I didn't get to see last time, and then come back to the pub, and then maybe go to the castles again, and then we'll head round to St Martin's, I think is the plan. So, time to get cracking. Right, and now I'm going to start this thing. Now I've got it on here. One thing I always forget to do is undo the vent, the petrol that sucks through, and then turning on the fuel. I've done it many times where I've got to turn on the fuel because they're ages trying to start the thing. So make sure it's in neutral as well. Put the kill cord on. Turn it over. Get the choke on. Right, time to head to one of the islands. Right, we've made it back to the beach, and look at this. This is why you get a twin keel boat. Park it right at the top of the beach. So obviously, tide's not getting much higher than this, so he'd be waiting for the next big tide to come in. She's got carried. Right, we've made our way to the top of the hill. You can see the little harbour down there where we docked the boat. Mingulay is over there, still holding good, which is nice. Wind is like funneling down that channel, so we're just around the corner from it, so we don't get the waves. Very busy. Helicopter zooming in and out, but let's get a reel on. Down here is where the gardens are, so go look at some plants, see if they interest me at all. Last time we did see actually some red squirrels, because the grey squirrels have taken over the red ones in, well, the rest of the UK. So this is the last place where they've got like a home, I guess. Red squirrels. So
they have them in Scotland.
Oh yeah, that too. But
South,
yeah,
this is
one of the only places. So I think maybe the Isle of Wight. Don't know. Who knows? We have made it into the gardens. Palm trees, big palm tree, Lego tree, bunch of plants, lots and lots of trees. You can't smell this, but it smells like plants and flowers. Enhance. enhance. I think it's time to hit the pub. I think we'll have dirty fries and a nice pint. Alright, made it to the top of Cromwell's castle, and well, maybe through this hole. You can see, you can kind of see Mingulay, but imagine shooting things out of here with all the cannons that be lined up. You can see there what it'd be like. Guns all around. A lot of wind coming through this hole. I think the people back in those days are a bit shorter than us.
Maybe a bit.
Just a little bit.
Knock myself up and not yet.
Yeah. Back down on the beach. We're gonna drag this thing down to the water and get back to Mingulay. Gonna get you. Grab on it. Get on it. Oh. It's time to pull up the anchor and get out of here. Wait for it, wait for it. All yours. That spinnaker line will be the death of me. Right, put one more turn on it and knock it off. Then I'll give you the wind channel. Yeah, I will. There you go. Right, we're just coming across the shallows. Gone downwind a bit, so we did hit 6 knots. Pretty impressive with just a head sail up. But yeah, you can see the bottom. We got about 2 meters beneath the boat at the minute. Seen 1.7, so it's not going to be too bad. The tide's dropping. It's got about another meter to drop, so we should have plenty to anchor in. we're just gonna go to this anchorage around here because the wind's meant to be coming from like just over there, so you could get a few waves in, but as long as we're around this corner we should be good. And I think tomorrow we're gonna probably go up to Teen and anchor out there, something like that, and then I'll be back on our way to the mainland at some point, aiming for maybe Monday or Tuesday. The weather's looking good for it, so maybe even a spinnaker kind of day, which would be epic. 40 miles of spinnaker sailing would be very nice. Just try not to hit these rocks coming up. Alright, would you look at this? Sun has finally set. Still got the moon though. So that's it for this episode. And well, I'll see you in the next one and we'll see what we get up to. So thanks for watching.